Hello, a warm welcome to you. My name is Dinesh, Oracle Certified Professional. With 9 plus years in Oracle Database Administration on 9i, 10g, 11g, 12c, I work on 24 by 7 live production environment, ensuring near to zero downtime as per the agreed SLAs. I work on actual install configuration and maintenance right from standalone builds to rack, ASM, DR and Golden Gate configurations and maintenance. I also happen to work on ODA and Exadata machines. Training and mentoring is something what I love to do, sharing the knowledge, gaining more from it in the process. I have trained more than 100 individuals, freshers as well as experienced professionals, both in class as well as online. Let's get started with the purpose of this video. This video is all about Oracle Database 12c Administration Workshop, to be precise, Core Database Administration. This does not cover Golden Gate, Rack or Data Guard in any aspects unless mentioned. I will cover them in a separate video though. After completion of this course, and students should be in a position to understand all about the architecture and working of Oracle Database, install, configure and maintain a working standalone 12c Oracle database based on a file system ASM storage. The student should also be able to backup, restore database, data movement and basic performance tuning. Now let's get into more closer look about this workshop. This workshop will have 21 chapters to cover, apart from the installation of the database software and database creation. Here are the chapters which will be covered and the topics under them. The introduction, the exploring of Oracle database architecture, Oracle database management tools, managing the database instance, configuring the Oracle network environment, administering user security, managing database storage structures, managing space, managing undo, managing data concurrency, implementing Oracle database auditing, backup and recovery concepts, backup and recovery configuration, performing database backups, performing database recovery, moving data, database maintenance, managing performance SQL tuning, using database resource manager, and the last one, Oracle scheduler to automate tasks. And to show you an overview of a particular chapter, let's check chapter number 2, which is exploring Oracle database architecture. Each chapter has objectives defined at the beginning, stating what will be learnt in the chapter. So here is exploring Oracle database architecture. So what will be the objective of this particular chapter? So after completing this lesson, you should be able to list the major architectural components of Oracle database, explain memory structures, describe background processes, correlate logical and physical storage structures, describe pluggable databases, which is a 12c feature, describe ASM storage components. Along with the theoretical guide, we also have the activity guide, which is something to do with the practicals after each chapter gets finished, and I consider this as 100% important. Theory plus practice makes you a database administrator. So here is the activity guide. So at end of each lesson, we will be having a practice of what has to be done after completion of each lesson. For the purpose of practice, we have this Oracle VirtualBox setup along with the pre-installed Oracle Enterprise Linux 7.2 virtual machine. The database softwares are already placed in the virtual machine. The student shall install, configure and maintain the database as per the activity guide. So let me just show you the machine. So here are the Oracle database binaries. So it's already copied into the machine. So the student shall install, configure and maintain the database as per the activity guide. That's all for this video. For any more questions, schedule for this training, contact me on the number, email provided below in the description of the video. Hope I served the purpose. Thank you for watching. Happy learning.